Welcome back to the ReadyCloud YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over how to create action alerts for your customers. So this could be anything like sending a shipping notification. If there's tracking information, you can send that to your customer as well. We're going to go over how to set it up and all the details. First thing you're going to do is you're going to press the little plus in the bottom corner. And then this will allow you to create a name for the action. It could be something like tracking or shipping notification. Anything that would help you remember what it's for. And then here's also where you can choose the alert type. So if you want it to be an email or a text, however you would like it to be delivered to your customer. First thing you're going to do is you're going to add a send from name. For example, you could put ReadyCloud or whatever your business name is. And then next, if you had a selected list of recipients, so someone who placed an order or anything like that, you can select that, and then you're going to put in the subject of the email. Trigger type is what's going to trigger the email. For example, it could be a tracking number or a shipping notification. And then once you save it, you can either create a template or upload one that you already have. Then all you have to do is go ahead and click the save button. And then as long as the toggle is turned green, it's active and working. And then as it's running, you'll be able to see things like open rate and how many emails were sent overall. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed this video.